Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Neo here with this new song called What If. And Neo made great songs in the past. They're Mad and So Sick. He's so sick of love songs. So, a lot of great music comes from Neo there. And this one, What If, is no exception here. Great song here. And I showed you here in the intro of this tutorial, you can play this one in two different ways. So I'm gonna give you two alternatives. So it basically consists of three different chords, and you can play them up here, higher with the higher notes, or down here with the more convenient and familiar chords here. So yeah, let's go through the different chords, and we don't need any cable for this one. So the chords will be E major 7, and this alternative here is the higher up here. So what you do there, you bar the 4th fret here, and the easiest way is to bar it from the D string and down, so 4 strings. And then you're gonna add on the 7th fret here, the A string, and on the 6th fret, the D string. So you bar on the 4th fret here from the D string and down, and then you're gonna add the 7th on A and 6th on D. That gives you the E major 7. And then we're gonna go to F sharp sus. So you're gonna still have your bar here on the 4th fret here from the D string and down, but the other fingers you're gonna switch to this grip here. So that is on the G string, the 6th fret, on the B string, 7th fret, and on the E string, 7th fret. And then you're gonna go to the F sharp, and it's pretty similar, but you need to switch your fingers here. So still you bar the 4th fret here from the D string and down, and you could, if you want, you could release the bar and just have it on the 4th fret D string. I feel it's more, you have better control if I bar it, so that's just how I do it. But yeah, that gives you 4th on the D string, or if you bar all the strings there from the D string and down, and then the rest will be 6th here on the G string, 7th on the B string, and 6th on the E string. So the chords will be E major 7, F sharp sus, and F sharp. And the reason why we put the chords up here is because we need to have, or want to have, these higher notes, which we're not gonna get if we play it up here. But this up here, this second alternative from now, will be perhaps a bit easier for many. So that's why I'm gonna show you this now for you. So we're gonna start off with a basic E chord here. That's the first chord. Works pretty much in the same way as the E major 7 up here. So that gives you the open E, the second A, the second D, first G, open B, and open E. And to be exact here, you should actually also adding this one on the 4th fret E string, but it's hard to get there. So that's why we say it works pretty much 99% with the standard E chord here, because we want these darker notes for this song here, so that's why it works with E here. Okay, the next chord will be exactly the same here, the F sharp sus. You grab it here on the 2nd fret, you need to bar it, all strings on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on the A string, 4th on D string, and 4th on the G string. That's the F sharp sus, and then the F sharp, like this. So still bar the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on the A string, 4th on D string, and 3rd on the G string. Yeah, So now, how do we play this? Yeah, we have basically verses and choruses for this one. So it will be in the same chord progression through the whole entire song here. E major 7 to F sharp sus to F sharp. But we're gonna play them in different ways. So for the verse there, you will play, we can go with this example here. Maybe it's easier for you to get it and follow. So I'm gonna play it with this second alternative here with the higher bass chords up here. So you're gonna play like this. So one round will be, right? So you go on 1, E, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5 you go to the F sharp sus, 5, 6, and on the 7 to F sharp. So if you count to 8, it will be on 1 you play the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5 F sharp sus, 5, 6, and 7 on the F sharp, 8, and then again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you hit the different chords there on 1, 5, and 7. You count up to 8 and then it goes round and round like this. You're gonna play that for 8 rounds and that covers the verse. Now for the chorus, you're gonna need a strumming pattern here. And a strumming pattern that really works for this song will be down, 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 up. So alright, so it will be, we'll start with the E chord here. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And when you play it, the chords up here, try to not incorporate too much of the higher notes there. It's enough if you just land perhaps on the bass and middle strings here, land perhaps on the G string here with the E, and the same for the other chords here. You land on the B string, sorry, the G string, since there's the melody. So that's the melody that goes through the song, and it's found on the G string there. Right? So yeah, when you play the strumming here, try to avoid this B and E string down there. So how do we gonna handle it? We're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for E, 1 for the F sharp sus, and 1 for the F sharp. So slowly it will be like this, 1 round. Yeah, and you're gonna play that for 8 rounds, so that will be and so on. So 8 rounds in the verse and 8 rounds in the chorus. And you know guys, that pretty much covers this song, because it goes back and forth like this. On the second verse, you play the same as the first verse. Then comes the second chorus, same there. Play it in the same way as the first chorus. Then we have a post chorus there. And you're gonna play it same as a chorus, but only 4 rounds. Instead of 8, you're gonna play 4 rounds of this post chorus. And then comes another chorus right after this. That will be the third chorus there. The first 4 rounds will be like in the verse, only 1 down for each chord, and the last 4 rounds will be the strumming like in the chorus. So this third chorus here will be divided. First four, the first half will be like verse, the second half, the second 4 rounds like in the chorus. And then it ends with chorus strumming there in the last post-chorus there. 4 rounds of the strumming, the same as previous courses there. So yeah, the only thing you need to handle there is the different way of playing these chords there. Either you go 1 down for each chord, on the 1, on the 5, and on the 7 if you count up to 8. And otherwise you play like in the chorus, the strumming down, 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 up. 2 rounds for the first E, and then 1 strumming round for the next 2 chords, the F sharp sus and F sharp. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this song, guys, from Neo called What If. Hope this was helpful for you, and good luck with this one. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to play tuned.